Okay guys, just made a better version of the electric skateboard with the motor on the back. So using an old dewalt drill, cut the top off, but yet the top is still attached. Tapped into the wires and brought it all the way back to the motor. And it's still nice and cool. I just went for like a 10-minute ride with it. So yeah, that. And we got an 8-inch wheel. Now attached front end to here with 2 bolts. And yeah, it goes pretty good down the road. Okay, let's go take it for a ride. So pretty easy. Just hop up on the skateboard like a normal skateboard. I got bad balance, so this is always a tricky thing for me. So we're going to pull the trigger. Make sure it's not in reverse. Let go of the trigger and it mostly will stop itself. But yeah, she got some torque. And then we got the reverse feature. So yeah. Yeah, she's a pretty awesome device I rigged up here. So I got a piece of steel tube wrapped around here, clamping that, and then that welded on there to a small tube. That welded on to under the chassis with a pivot point with 2 bolts clamping it with wood. Just yeah, make sure. Then a spring, adjustable spring, so you can get the proper tension pushing down on it. These wheels are off the ground right now, but when you put the weight on it, it give all the tension you need on that back wheel to keep traction to go forward. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.